Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers, I hope all you are fine. Today we are going to learn about how to configure UFW and fail-to-ban firewall in our operating system. Okay, let's start our installation. Installation complete. First of all, we will enable UFW. UFW default incoming. Okay, now UFW default allow outgoing. UFW enable. UFW status. That means UFW is active and default is incoming. Deny incoming, allow outgoing. If we want to allow any service, then we can simply type this command such as UFW allow. First of all, we install Apache web server, apt install Apache 2. Okay, now we list our firewall UFW status number. Also we can check UFW list. It says invalid syntax. UFW status this is active. Now we allow UFW allow HTTP rule added. UFW allow HTTPS. Then we check we have 4 rules: 80 port number, 443 as well as IPv4 and IPv6. This one are for protocol version 4 and this one are protocol version 6. Okay, now we browse Apache website or localhost. This is showing our default page. Okay, if we want to remove any rules, then we can just type these all are rules. We want to remove 4 number rules. Just type UFW delete 4. It will remove version 6 443 rules. Why? Then we see it again. Okay, if we want to remove any rules, then we just use this command and see the number list. Okay, the website is showing from outside network. Now we remove our all rules. Now check UFW disable and UFW enable. UFW status, it's active. Now we check it. That means it's not working, but our service is, I hope, okay. System control status Apache 2. Okay, service is running, but website is not accessible outside our computer. Okay, now we allow these rules again. UFW allow HTTP and HTTPS. I hope it will work. Okay, that means UFW firewall is successfully working. We implement here how to assign firewall rules, how to delete our firewall rules, and we check all things. We can check our log status. Var log UFW.log. Right now there is no log show available here. Good. We have to enable it. UFW logging on. Okay, logging enable. We can also set log. Right now we are not configure any syslog server. Just we check journal control -u UFW. Here is no entries. If any log found, it will show here. Now we can also set log. UFW logging low, UFW logging medium, UFW logging hi UFW logging full. Okay, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. In next tutorial we will configure fail to ban with UFW. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you.